Should I learn Haskell or Scala?
Haskell has far better syntax.
I've heard Scala has strict evaluation, which makes it easier to program.
Scala is Java compatible, so you are better able to work on apps that interface with Java. And more project opportunities.
Which language do you think is easier to work with?
Haskell has a lousy development environment. And Scala has a better object module system than Haskell, which is used in implementing interfaces.
Which makes Scala even better, since you can do the same type of tasks with Java too.
And you can use JVM with Scala, while Haskell has a far weaker toolset to rival the Java virtual machine.
JVM is known for its monitoring, load balancing and garbage collecting tools. It is nice to be able to use those with Scala.
Haskell is taught in some schools to teach you the logic of functional programming. But they would be better served just teaching logic instead of a nearly dead programming language.
I heard you could learn almost any programming concept for functional programming in Haskell.
An instructor who can teach you the logical flow of code and classes and functions should be able to teach you that without teaching you a programming language you won't use. Unless working on the school mainframe older than you is upgrading some government server.
I heard that Scala was both a functional language and object-oriented.
That's why it can work on JVM, because it is a hybrid of the two.
If it runs in JVM, does that mean you can leverage their existing libraries?
Scala does have larger code libraries online.
Why would anyone learn Haskell then?
Probably to use the online code library called Hackage. And to be able to call themselves hackers without actually breaking any laws or IT security measures.